Hi there, students. An outing, a countable noun. Um, Outing can also be an uncountable noun from the verb to out. We'll see that in a minute. So let's see. Firstly, an outing, a short, fun trip, normally with a group of people from your home, from your school, from your place of work. Yeah. So I remember at school we used to have some really good school outings. I don't know. Go and see a stud for racehorses at Newmarket, or go and see Bruff Scott's stud and things like that. So an outing, a trip. Yeah. Um, the I took my family on an outing on Sunday afternoon, an outing to the zoo, an outing to London. So it's like a trip, it's a tour. You go somewhere with a group of people. Yeah, the a works outing. Yeah, it's normally for pleasure or for education. Yeah, so I took my students on an outing to the Bodleian Library. Yeah, my daughter's class are going on an outing to a wildlife park. Okay, so an outing, a journey, a trip. Now, sometimes they use this word an outing as well to talk about sports, about sportsmen or teams when they compete in a particular uh, contest or in a particular competition. So she has played in various domestic tournaments, but this is her first outing to a tournament in the United States. Yeah. He's playing in his first outing after injury. Okay, so here an outing, a public performance. Yeah, but normally by a sportsman, a sportswoman, in an athlete or some sort of athletic thing. So this is his second outing with the new team. Yeah, it's a public appearance. And then finally, an outing or outing is the public disclosure of LGBT's people's sexual orientation or gender identity, but without their permission. Yeah, so it's making public that somebody is gay or lesbian or transgender or whatever. And very often this is done for political reasons, to try and make somebody look bad. Historically, there have been various episodes of outing. For example, the Krupp affair, to do with the German steel manufacturer, or the Eulenburg affair about Kaiser Wilhelm's politicians, or the Rom scandal. Yeah, Rom was a Nazi. Okay, so to make public somebody's orientation, forcing gays out of the closet against their will. I think this is a very nasty thing to do, and I think it should be made illegal. It's up to a person to make this public or not as they wish. Okay, so an outing. I went on a school outing, a pleasure trip, an excursion. Yeah. This is the team's third outing this year. They have scored goals in every outing so far this season. And then the outing of a person publicly revealing their sexual orientation, that they're homosexual or transgender, without that person's consent. So, enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Outing.